So I want to show a setup that a trade that I took today, and I will be showing my setup on how I did that. So first thing, I'm going to start from the weekly. So on the weekly chart, I had a 1 week and 1 day high marked out, as you can see, and it broke it. So and from a longer time, I'm seeing where the market was going up in bull. See, it had this long bull, 2 bull candles. Okay, confirmed from last week the market has been in bull. So now I wanted to jump in today, and I was waiting on the market to give me an opportunity to do that. So going down to the daily, still seeing a bull candle, still confirming bullish. Where I look for that is right here, still confirming these candles. I'm not really concerned about these candles right now. All I know is that there was a breakout structure right here. The most recent last swing high, the most recent swing high was broken, and that's what I'm focusing on. Focusing on this leg right here. Still a bull market. Going down to the 4 hours, still bull. So I use the 4 hour and the 1 hour to confirm my bias. So on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour, it is still showing bull. Usually, if I want to go into a swing trade, I would use the 4 hour and 1 hour to trade. If I want something simple for the day, I just simply use a different time frame. So because, let me just shorten these. Because remember, this one that I'm touching right now was at the last swing high that was broken. I marked out this area as a demand area, this area as a demand area, because these areas are areas where price would most likely come back to do a retest before going up again. Now this area right here is a major demand area because price was consolidating and building up for a while before it does a push off. So, but we're not focusing on that. Our main focus should be hunting for a demand area where we can enter the market. So I want to see a breakout structure and a re-entry, a reversal to my area. So I found that right here. I took the trade right about here. So because there was a break of structure plus the break of the high, it broke structure. Price came back and tapped into the demand area. Going on to the 5 minutes to show it out cleaner than that. So I was on the 5 minute when I saw this. So right here, as you can see, price was consolidating for a while. So it was a push up, then it pulled back. I could even took the trade right here, but it's okay. So price came back, it went, broke structure again right here, then it came back into my area of supply demand. So this is where I took my trade on the 5 minute. It is a simple find a trend, which is the bull. I confirmed, wait for a break of structure, a retest to the area, and I take my entry. Usually that's what I do to take my entry. For this I did a 1 to 5. Usually I don't go beyond it, but today I was lucky enough and I got a 1 to 5. So putting it up, I went really far up with it for a 1 to 5. They should say 5. So there it is. The reason why I went 1 to 5, as I think I was targeting a previous high. A high was to the left as well. When it broke this high, there was another high to the left that I was targeting. That's why I did the 1 to 5. Usually I would do a 1 to 3, 1 to 3, or a 1 to 4. Sometimes a 1 to 1, 1 to 2, depends on my mood at that time, or not mood. Depends on what I am seeing. If the market has the potential for it, I'll do it. Sometimes, not to be greedy. See the 1 to 2, but maybe the 1 to 2 I'm gonna get enough. But the 1 to 5 gave me more, and I'm pleased. So again, going back over it, trend, bull trend, found my trend. Okay, I'm seeing the bull trend, the candle on the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, 1 hour, all showing bull. Fine, I want to get into the market before the time. This was between 8 a.m. to I think 11, 8 to 11, 8 to 12. One of the hours I think that you should be trading this pair. So break of structure, market was going in bull, bullish movement, go up. Then this was a reverse, then went up again, and then tap into my area, and that's when it took off. So right here, break of structure, waiting on price to break, then do a retest, then buy. I don't buy at the, so usually for when you're doing trade, they would say sell to low, no, sell high, buy low. And it's the same thing I did with GBP/USD. It's the same thing I did because I did both of them. GBP and Euro works the same. Those pair works hand in hand. So it was the same. Where did I took this trade again? It was at one of these areas in yes, it was at the, I used the 15 minutes to really, I want to see the tap in at the 15 minutes or higher before I take the trade. The 5 minute will show a tap into, but I really want to see the tap on the high time frames to confirm. See, yes, the supply area was also at the 1 hour and it was tapped into. So the 15 minute tap push off. See? Same strategy. Find the trend, bull, go up, break off structure, price retest the area, then I place the buy here. I placed the buy right here. Move stop loss to underneath the last low, and that's where we take off. For this, I did a 1 to 3. Okay, a 1 to 3. I'm not go fight with that right now. For this, I did a 1 to 3. It's the same thing. I can use any lot size I want. So for this, people sometimes use 0.01, 0.02. I used 0.03 for this one. For all my for both GBP and the USD. Can even anything you want to use, I use.